Welcome to my evening forecast on this Tuesday, April 5th. So colder air still in place across the Maritimes. You can see this evening temperatures already several degrees below freezing across the north of New Brunswick, Prince Edward Island, even northeastern parts of Nova Scotia. So warm jacket weather once again for tonight and for the start of the day on Wednesday. But the end of this cold snap, it's not too far away. So I'm happy to bring you that in the forecast. As we take a look at our weather systems map, there is a large area of low pressure, trough of low pressure, hanging off towards the east of Nova Scotia. This is bringing in some very heavy snow to eastern parts of Newfoundland, but not much of an impact for us anymore, aside from some cloudiness around Cape Breton. Our weather makers is area of high pressure off towards the west. Now currently we're still on the colder side of this system. That cold air coming down through northern parts of Quebec and Labrador and across the Maritimes. It's also bringing us some clear or clearing conditions, though, generally for the region as we head through tonight. Now as we go through this evening and to around midnight, there will still be a chance, maybe a few isolated flurries drifting across Prince Edward Island into the northeast of mainland Nova Scotia and areas of Cape Breton. And for Cape Breton, in northwest winds carrying on for Wednesday, there may be some further isolated flurries kind of moving in off the Gulf of St. Lawrence and into Inverness County. Even a spotty flurry in the morning hours around Prince Edward Island, not out of the question. But that area of high pressure is moving over top of us as we move through the afternoon into the evening. That should put an end to those flurries. In behind that high pressure system, cloudiness begins to increase across the Maritimes. So this is happening Wednesday evening and Wednesday night. That is along with a warm front that will also turn us over to some southwest winds and begin to bring in some milder air for the end of the week. Low temperatures in the forecast for tonight, though, well down into the minus teens across much of New Brunswick. Most low temperatures minus 16 to minus 10 there. Across Prince Edward Island tonight, most low temperatures will be near minus 8. And for Nova Scotia, many lows minus 10 to minus 6, even colder than that for inland areas around the minus basin and also moving up into Cumberland County. And our high temperatures for tomorrow, a little bit better than they have been over the past couple of days, though still a bit below normal for this time of the year. Afternoon highs of 0 to 4 degrees across New Brunswick, mostly sunny during the day. Prince Edward Island tomorrow will see high temperatures. It will be near 0 off in the west, and in the east high temperatures between minus 3 and minus 1. Minus 1 there for Charlottetown. And across Nova Scotia in the forecast, we're looking at high temperatures in most cases between minus 4 and 0, though a few communities around the southwestern Atlantic coastline may get up to plus 1. Here's the outlook for the end of the week. That warm front kind of moving in out of southern Ontario and southern Quebec, turning us over to some southerly winds, and we see that push of milder air arrive. Now, initially for New Brunswick, Thursday morning, this may start as some accumulating snow. Potential for some snowfall amounts of 2 to 5 centimeters, with that turnover to rain taking place as we head into the afternoon and those temperatures continue to rise. They'll likely rise another few degrees Thursday night into Friday. Friday, further periods of rain moving through, and then a return to some cooler air for the upcoming weekend, beginning Saturday night and running into Sunday. And that means on Saturday, a mixture of showers and flurries expected, with a chance of some flurries on Sunday. After that, a mix of sun and cloud for Monday. For Prince Edward Island, a few spotty flurries around in the morning hours of tomorrow, otherwise a mix of sun and cloud. On Thursday, initially a few flurries expected, but a pretty quick turnover to showers. Don't expect much in the way of accumulations out of those flurries. Friday, though, is going to be a rainy and windy day, though with the milder temperatures in place. Rain or showers to start the weekend on Saturday, and as temperatures cool down, a mixture of showers and flurries on Sunday. And the next 7 days for Nova Scotia includes mostly sunny skies for tomorrow, though more of a mix of sun and cloud in Cape Breton, few isolated flurries in Inverness County. After that, showers and milder temperatures for Thursday, turning over to a rainy and windy Friday. Rain or showers to begin the weekend on Saturday. Temperatures cooling down on Sunday, potentially giving us a mix of both some showers and some wet flurries.